Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your meal prep. Imagine one appliance that handles almost everything, making delicious meals faster and easier than ever before. This incredible 9-in-1 multi-cooker truly does it all. It's your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and more, replacing countless gadgets. With 15 smart, customizable programs, from desserts to perfectly cooked eggs, even beginners can achieve chef-level results effortlessly. Plus, its premium food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup, a huge win for any busy kitchen. What sets the Duo Plus apart is its unmatched versatility and intuitive design, simplifying complex recipes into one-touch wonders. If you're looking for the ultimate kitchen upgrade to save time and expand your culinary skills, this is a smart investment. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus using the Amazon link in the description below. It's perfect for quick weeknight dinners, meal prepping, or even impressing guests with gourmet dishes. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious home cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have for 2025.